You will not understand the structures. If you avail of your story problem class, then you can speak English, because in that class sir will narrate a story before you, and you have to narrate the story at least 5 times in a day. I want to tell you what is the benefit of a story problem class. If you really want to improve your spoken English, then story problem class is the first class of training class. You should avail of that class, and from the help of that class you can speak English. So story problem class is very important in training batch.
What is your future plan?
I want to become a bank manager.
You want to become a bank manager?
Yeah.
It means you want to join banking sector.
I want to join banking.
अच्छा, what do you think about friendship?
Friendship is a very beautiful thing in life. If you have such a good friend, then they will help you in your bad times. But if you have a bad friend, then they will, if in your bad times, they will not help you. But if you have friends who is like your brother and who is like your sister, then he or she will help you in your bad times. So friendship is very important in our life. To make life beautiful, friendship is important.
Tell me something about the importance of cut and action class.
Cut and action class is very important. If you avail of cut and action class, then in that class you have to play a role of a preceptor, you have to play a role of an interpreter, because in that class I will ask you to ask question to you in Hindi, but you have to translate those sentences into English. So cut and action class is very important.
I want to ask you a question. My question is that please tell me, Kajal, what do you think about conversation class?
Conversation class is very important. If you really want to improve your conversation skills, then you should avail of this class, because in that class you have to speak many more sentences, and sir will call you on the stand with your opponent, and sir will give you a topic, and you have to converse with your opponent on the given topic.
What have you got from this institute?
I have got a lot of things from this institute. I have improved my English. You are seeing me that I am speaking fluent English, but before joining this institute, I was not able to speak right fluent English. So this institute has given me many things, and I shall always be grateful of this institute for giving me these things.